Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make $1,000 just by using Google News, which by the way is free. This is such an exciting opportunity because you don't need any qualifications and you don't need any experience, and anyone can do this and make money. Now then, I'm going to show you various platforms and resources for you to use so you can make $1,000 plus using Google News. What's going on, guys? I'm Lorna Recommend. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hello and thanks for stopping by. On this channel I help everyday people like you make money online using simple strategies and tools, because I know how tough it can be to make ends meet, which is why I'm passionate about sharing these methods to help you earn passive income and gain financial freedom. Please be sure to like, subscribe and click the notification bell to stay updated with my latest videos on how to make money online, as I share new strategies and tools to help you succeed financially. Okay, let's dive back into this great way for you to start making money online. Now then, first step in this Google News process is for you to go over to google.com. So google.com is on the search tab, where you just search for Google News, which will then take you to the Google News platform. And this is where you will see your local news stories and also news from around the world. Next, you are to select topics in popular niches or topics that people are interested in. Therefore, look at topics in technology, in business, sports, entertainment, science, and health. Once inside the platform, at the top here, you will see different categories where you can get news from. Now, I'm going to show you an example with the first article. And what's good about Google News is that they give the latest news and not expired news. They will continually post more news throughout the day. So now you are to copy this entire article or any article that's caught your attention. Therefore, my recommendation is for you to select an article in a topic that you are genuinely interested in. For this example, let's copy this article, which is step 1. Next, having copied your article, you are then to go over to spinbot.com, which is a really cool platform that allows you to rewrite or spin your article to make it into an original article or content. This is super useful because it will help you avoid plagiarism. And so you are to paste your article here and click on paste article. It's so easy, and it will rewrite the article, giving you a new article. Guys, it's important for you to read through the article to ensure everything looks as it should. So, as you can see, I copied the ad and it has rewritten it and added it over here. So now you are to do your due diligence and be sure to clean up your article. This is only going to take a few minutes, so look over the article you've pasted and ensure that it makes sense. Look at this picture as an example right here, and you just want to be sure you clean up all information. Writing an article from scratch for sure takes a lot of time, but you don't need to do so. You just need to do some research and come up with an article. And once you're finished, just copy your article and save it into a Word document safely, where you can find it so much easier. Now then, on to the next step I'm going to show you, and we are going to use this article to make money. Let's go over to ProBlogger, where you will see 4 places for you to make money with this article. ProBlogger is a website that hires people to write articles on various topics, ranging from health to marketing technology. Here, you will find different companies posting jobs because they're looking for people to write articles on different subjects. To find a job, you'll simply come here and click on the Jobs tab and you'll see View Jobs. So, as I begin to scroll down, you'll notice various jobs being posted on this platform. They're continuously looking for people to work from anywhere and to work remotely. It's really good that they also post the latest available jobs, and as you can see, this is a recently posted job. This contract is for anyone to write content from anywhere. As we scroll down, you can see there are numerous topics and quite a few jobs also, because they're looking for people to write different articles. Guys, as our focus is now on health, you may just want to look for a job in health. So here is a good one for a freelancer who can work from anywhere. Now you want to select this medical writer job right here and follow up the next step. And just click here where you'll be given more details regarding the job. Now you are given the job description and the required number of words per article. Now just scroll down until you find the link to Google Form. Now copy this link and paste it on a browser and it will take you straight to the application form. You are required to fill in the form so you can begin making money. So I've realized that link that this is an application form where you can put in your name, email and personal details over here. Also your background, education and all details. Now then, the good part here is that you get to set your own rate and you will be asked right at the bottom of the page, what is your rate per 2,000 word article? I suggest you do a bit of research to find out how much people are charging in the industry, especially if you are a beginner going for this type of side hustle. Following that, you are to put your answer here. On average, it seems people can charge anywhere between $1 to $1.50 per word. And should you charge at the bare minimum per word, you're still going to make a decent amount of money with 2,000 words. So go ahead and hit the submit button and send your application. Please do wait to get a response from them, and once you have it and are on this platform for the different jobs, then for sure you'll start making a lot of money just by rewriting articles. So the next platform for you to check out and start making money is called Shortstack. Here is the platform we are viewing right here, and you don't have to be obsessed about a lot of the information on the home page. However, you can check it out. For now, you want to scroll down to the bottom of the website where you will see about here, and you will see the wording Write for Us, and just go ahead and select Write for Us, which will take the application form in order for you to write, and you'll see the wording Write for Us. And just go ahead and select Write for Us, which will take your application form in order for you to apply to write to this application. They cover topics in digital content, in marketing, and so on and so forth. You can start the application process by filling in your details, and as you can see, they claim to have an audience of 4,000 plus readers. Potentially, this platform is growing more people who are reading for them. You are also given an example or a general list of topics that they cover, and you'll see they cover interactive digital marketing, content marketing, and various topics. Should you wish to see an example article, then scroll to the bottom and there you will be able to see some examples. Up next is the Writer Access platform. This is such a reputable and good platform which will allow you to make money by writing for the platform. Now then, you need to navigate to the writer's page, but firstly you must verify your LinkedIn profile. You simply select the sign in button with LinkedIn and just sign up to this platform, which is so easy because they use your LinkedIn profile. Okay guys, last but not least, let's take a look at Skyward, which is a freelance platform, and this platform also has writing gigs. Again, as soon as you get to the platform, please be sure to click on the tab that says Freelance for Us on the top right, and you then select I want to freelance to begin the sign up process. Guys, this is another very reputable wonderful company and a great platform that offers great opportunities for writers. There are loads of opportunities for writers on this platform, and best of all, you don't have to lay out any money for any of these platforms for you to make money. I do hope you found value in this video, and please remember to like, subscribe and share this video on your way out. Guys, thank you for watching, and I'll catch up with you on the next one. And please do remember to drop a comment down below how you're getting on. Okay, bye for now.